Hello, Year 3. This is one of your maths lessons. It's maths lesson number 1. And this week we are continuing our learning about time. And in this lesson, we're looking at analogue and digital time. So, analogue time refers to the normal kinds of clocks, round clocks that you see on the classroom wall, and you might have some clocks like this around your house. The type of clock that we've learnt how to tell the time on in our last lessons with the hour hand and the minute hand, and the second hand as well. Digital refers to clocks with numbers. Okay, so there are no hands that spin around. The clock tells you how many hours and how many minutes just by writing the numbers. So here you go. On a digital clock, the time that you read on this clock, the time would be 12:04. So the first number is the hour, 12 o'clock. If the number was 12:00, that would be 12 o'clock. There is the hour, then a colon in the middle, and then on the other side of the colon, the minutes. So here, the hour is 12 and the minutes are 4. That means it is 4 minutes past 12. Okay, so converting. You are going to learn how to convert between analogue and digital time. So here we have an analogue clock, a clock face, that has a certain time. Can you tell me or tell somebody that you're sat with what time it is? This analogue clock is saying it is 5:30, okay, or 5:30. How are we going to convert that into a digital time? First of all, we look at the hour. So the hour hand has just passed 5. So the hour is 5. And we're going to write that on the left-hand side of our digital clock. Then we need to use our 5 times tables to count the minutes. Remember, each big number is 5 minutes. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Where the minute hand is pointing to 6, which represents 30 minutes. Oops. And then I write the number of minutes on the right-hand side of my digital clock. So the time is 5:30. You can see what that looks like here in an analogue clock and a digital clock. Okay, what about converting the other way? Sometimes you will be shown a digital time and you will need to draw what that looks like on a round clock face, an analog clock. So the digital time here is what? How would you say this time? It is 3:15. 3:15. The hour is 3 and the minutes are 15. And you can see the hours and the minutes are separated by that colon. So first of all, I'm going to look at the hour. It's 3, so I need to draw my hour hand just past 3. There we go, that's my short hour hand just past 3. Now I need to look at the number of minutes. 15 minutes. What I'm going to do is I'm going to count in 5s from 12, starting on my analog clock, start at 12, and jump in 5s until I get to my number 15. So if I jump 1, 5, 10, 15. So to get to 15, I have ended on the number 3. So that is where I'm going to draw my minute hand. There we go. Okay, so I have shown you how to convert analog times into digital times. Here are the steps that you need to follow. First of all, look at what hour the hour hand has passed. Write that in the left-hand side of the digital clock. Then, how many minutes have passed? Use your times tables, your 5 times tables. Write the number of minutes in the right-hand side of the digital clock. Pause this video and complete these questions. And once you've done that, we're going to have a go at converting the other way. So here you have 5 digital times, and you are going to draw this time on an analog clock. So here are the steps. First of all, you need to look at the left side of your digital clock. This is the hour. Draw the hour hand on the clock face. Remember, it needs to go slightly behind the number. Now, look at the right side of the clock. These are the minutes. Use your 5 times tables to count the minutes on the clock face. Remember, start at 12. So you start at 12 and you jump in 5s. Then draw the minute hand on the clock face. Pause this video and complete those questions. Once you've completed these questions, upload your work to Tapestry. Good luck, Year 3.